Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Anastasia. Welcome everybody. Did you miss expectation versus reality videos? I really do miss filming and sharing these videos with you. So I went on Amazon. That's where I usually get all of my expectation versus reality balloon garland kits, and I tried to pick a very summery, bright and very fun looking garland kit. I will dive deep into the description, into quality of balloons. I will go to reviews. I mean, everything will be under the microscope today. I will link this kit in the description under the video, and you'll decide for yourself if you want to purchase it or not. Without any further ado, let's go. Before I'll start reviewing that promised balloon garland, I quickly wanted to stop over here and show you this big bag that I bought on Amazon. This is actually a Christmas tree storage bag. I use these bags if I need to transport my balloons to the venue. It's huge, you guys, and it holds a lot of balloons. I don't need to use a whole bunch of trash bags. This can fit a lot of balloons. Just a tip, you guys, if you want to transport lots of balloons, this is the bag that you want to have. I will link them in the description under the video. This is what I received after purchasing this kit on Amazon. So let's go closer and see how this kit should look like and how it's advertised on Amazon. I took a whole bunch of screenshots. Instead of swiping up and down, I will be swiping left to right, and it will be a little bit easier for me to navigate this way. So this is how this kit should look like after constructing the whole thing. It includes 109 balloons and will cost you $14.95. In the description, they break everything down. 60 pieces, 11-inch balloons, red, dark green, and pink. 40 pieces, 5-inch balloons, light green, dark green, black, and red. And then right here they say use with balloon glue. I have no idea what that is. I am assuming that's the glue dots, so we'll find that out a little bit later. Then we have 6 pieces watermelon foil balloons. They claim that these balloons are high quality latex balloons. And like in every balloon garland kit, this kit will include a ribbon, balloon chain, which is balloon strip, a roll of balloon glue, which is glue dots, and they claim that this roll of glue dots will be enough to construct the whole thing. I'm pretty excited to construct this thing. Let's go blow everything and we'll see what we're gonna get out of this. As I'm inspecting this balloon garland kit, I see that they didn't include a balloon tying tool, so I am using my own balloon tying tool. If you don't have this thing, it's better to invest. It's not that expensive. It's less than $5. I will link it in the description under the video. This thing will help you not to take skin off of your fingers, because I've done that. I blew over 300 balloons individually and I had to tie them using my fingers, and you guys, it was terrible until I found this thing. So here is what I am doing. Since we are using a balloon strip to construct our balloon garland, we need to blow our balloons individually and tie them individually. So I'm taking one of the balloons. Another trick for you guys, as you can see, this balloon kind of looking like a pear. That means you overblew your balloon with air. Let some air out. Your balloon needs to look something like this. As soon as you're done blowing your balloon, press it against the floor to make your balloon even more rounder than it was before. Then take your balloon tying tool and tie it. And here you have a perfectly blown balloon. I can hear one balloon deflating right now. I am pretty sure that's the 5-inch balloon. We'll see what the rest is gonna give us. The quality of this latex is pretty nice. It's not too thin, it's not too thick, it's somewhere in the middle. They are stretchy, soft, nice to work with. So far, pretty good. So let's keep them blowing. But not least, I want to inflate these beautiful watermelon foil balloons. You guys, they are very, very pretty. They are vibrant in color. I really like it. To inflate my foil balloons, I will be using my hand pump. There's a reason for it. If you will be using your warm electric balloon pump to inflate your foil balloon, so you have a chance that you can melt this plasticky insert that all the self-sealing foil balloons, orbs balloons have, and we don't want that because balloons will start deflating. So to avoid all the heat and all of the stuff from electric balloon pump, I rather use my hand pump just to be safe. To construct our balloon garland, I am taking included balloon strip and my first balloon. Taking the balloon and feeding through the hole, as you can see over here. When you're feeding your balloon through the hole, make sure your balloon knot is completely through the hole and let it go. And that's all you need to do to construct your balloon garland. I will be inserting all of my balloons on one side. Me personally, I don't see a difference if you alternate sides or just use one side. I will be using all of the balloons except 5-inch balloons. I will fill in with them a little bit later. One more thing that I didn't mention, you would probably need to skip 1 or 2 holes between your balloons. When you see your balloons are starting to pop out of your strip, that means skip a hole or 2, just to give your balloons more room to lay nicely and make a very nice balloon garland. So let's go build the rest of the balloon garland. This balloon garland looks pretty cute. I like the colors, I like the quality of latex. Everything's pretty nice so far. I lost 3 balloons out of 109, which is not bad. And I ended up having a shorter balloon garland than on the picture on Amazon because it depends on the person and it depends how a person builds a balloon garland using balloon strip. I like my garlands, any garlands, it doesn't matter what I use, fishing line 260s or balloon strip. I like my garlands to be very packed together and have as many balloons in my base as possible. So that's what I did here. I tried to pack my balloons as close as possible together without skipping a lot of holes between balloons. I do have a few 11-inch balloons on the floor, but I don't want to insert them into my base, into my balloon strip, because I want to build up my base and create something cute. I do have 5-inch balloons on the floor as well and some foil balloons. I am taking my glue dots and starting to fill in spaces on my garland with the rest of the balloons that are laying on the floor. I like to use more than 1 or 2 glue dots per balloon because I want to be sure that these balloons will stay on my garland for a long time. I love when companies include more than 1 roll of glue dots because I like to use a lot of glue dots per balloon, and I'm always second guessing myself if I will have enough glue dots to complete the review on any of the balloon garlands, not just this one. So if companies hear me, try to include 2 rolls of glue dots, or at least bigger size than a normal roll of glue dots. That would be amazing. So let's go, let's fill in spaces and finish this up. Here is what I have for you guys today. This is my final result. You guys, I am loving everything that I see here, everything that I have on this grid. Love the colors, good quality balloons. I only lost 3 balloons, which is not that bad, you know, considering 109 balloons, 3 lost. It's good. I love all the foiled balloons, you guys. They work so good in this kit, super good. Love everything. Great pricing. Pricing is right for everybody to enjoy this kit. There's no reviews on this kit because I'm assuming, my guess is that the seller started selling balloon garland kits just recently, because I believe they have 3 styles of balloon garlands, 3 themes, and there's no reviews on any of them. So my guess, they just started selling these, because I've never seen this kit ever before. You guys, definitely recommend this garland for your party. I will link and list everything in the description under the video, and I will share some pictures at the end of this video. Good morning, you guys. So this is the next day, and this is exactly why I recommend using more than 1 or more than 2 glue dots per balloon. Yep, some of the balloons fell down, and use as many glue dots as you can to attach your foil balloons, because foil balloons are a little bit stubborn to attach with glue dots. It's better if you take some string or, I don't know, curling ribbon, and tie them straight to your garland. Well, this is it, you guys. This is what I have for you today. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with family and friends. That's always helpful. If you have any additional questions, leave them in the comment section below, and I will try to help you out to the best of my abilities. If you're new here, what are you waiting for? Hit the subscribe button down below for more videos. And I hope you'll have a wonderful day, and I will see you back very soon. Bye!